Blending short vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. First we shall learn about blending the short vowel sounds with A, E, I, O, U. Two-letter blends with short vowel and other sounds. Let us take the vowel A. Am, am. The sound of this two-letter word is am. An. An. The sound of this two-letter word is an. As. As. The sound of this two-letter word is as. At. At. The sound of this two-letter word is at. Shall we read all the words again? Am. An. As. At. The next vowel we shall take is E. E says eh, but we shall blend the two-letter words with the different sounds. B. B. The sound of this two-letter word is ba, B. He. He. The sound of this two-letter word is he. Me. Me. The sound of this two-letter word is me. We. We. The sound of this two-letter word is we. Let's repeat. Be. He. Me. We. Next, we shall take the vowel I. The sound of this I is I. If. The sound of this two-letter word is if. In. In. The sound of this two-letter word is in. Is. Is. The sound of this two-letter word is is. It. It. The sound of this two-letter word is it. Let's repeat. If. In. Is. It.